Somewhere in this Belgian forest, 7 giant trolls are hiding. Some are impossible to miss. Others are so well hidden that you'll walk straight past them if you're not paying attention. Today, I have one goal. I want to find them all.
I know there's 7 trolls hidden in this park. And there's also a magical tower. That sounds intriguing, although I have no idea what it is. But the big question is, can I find them all?
This is what it looks like on Google Maps. Some trolls are visible, others aren't, which makes it a little frustrating, but also a lot more fun.
The trolls are located at the Schorre. It's a park in the Belgian town of Boom.
Created by Danish artist Thomas Dambo from reclaimed wood, they were a gift from Tomorrowland to encourage people to explore the park in a different way. And it works, because after finding your first troll, you're no longer just walking, you're searching, scanning every path, looking between the trees, wondering where the next giant might be hiding. Some trolls are easy to find, others make you work for it, and that's what makes this place so much fun. Just when I thought I was only looking for trolls, I came across the magical tower. According to the story, the trolls built it to give visitors a different perspective on the world around them. Guarded by Camiel, it's one of the highlights of the walk, and climbing it feels like a reward before heading back into the forest.
This is the forest. It's green, it's thick, it's dense, and some of the trolls are hidden. What I like is that it feels like a treasure hunt.
Somewhere between searching for troll number 4 and trying to spot number 5, I stopped thinking about finding all 7. I was simply enjoying the search. Maybe that's why this place works so well. It turns an ordinary walk into a small adventure. Before you go, here's what you need to know.
The Schorre
is free to visit all year round and easy to reach by car or train. Wear sturdy shoes because the trails can become muddy after rain. And remember that during Tomorrowland, parts of the park can be closed, so check the website before your visit.
I came here to find 7 trolls in a park. And I did. I succeeded. It was magical. But it wasn't tipping off the 7 names of the trolls, the weird names, on my list. It was the search for it, because exploring the forest, finding a troll made me feel like a kid again. And I haven't had that for a long time. It was just wow. So if you're anywhere near this park that lies a little bit south of Brussels, bring your children, bring your parents, bring whatever you want to bring, and go and explore. And do a search for the 7 trolls of Belgium. It is wonderful.
If you enjoyed this adventure, give it a like, leave a comment and let me know which troll you'd most like to meet. And if you'd like to discover more unique places like this, don't forget to subscribe. You might see adventures like this.